Hey guys, Jacob here. Today we're looking at this mini split unit from Garvee. It is installed, it's ready to go. We can go ahead and turn it on, but what I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to give you a full breakdown of what you need to know, how to actually get this connected to Wi-Fi, because I know a lot of us, maybe want to be able to control this from anywhere. Right now I've just got it set to cool on 77 and it's nice and chilly over here. The actual install and setup itself was not difficult. They've got basically, instructions that almost anyone could understand and walk through. They give you exactly what tools you're going to need, and it doesn't have everything included with the kit. You do need to probably have like a vacuum pump and stuff like that, but they do have instructions in here on how to actually install this, and you also could have a technician or a handyman or someone that has installed HVAC units help you as well. But overall, about 2.5 hours total.
And obviously, we're going to hook this up to Wi-Fi to where we can control it anywhere. But this is also coming with a remote, and you're going to be able to, if you decide to grab it, it's going to have this remote where you can control all of the temperature settings and the fan speed, and even switch between dry mode, cool mode, heat mode, and set the swing and how far the swing is going out and stuff like that, which is just the vent at the bottom. It does have an auto rinse cycle that is going to automatically clear some debris out, so you don't have to worry about cleaning as often. And the remote itself does reach up to 26 feet, so you can be pretty far away and using the remote to control your unit. You could be somewhere else and access it remotely, and I'm going to show you how to set that up as well. And this is designed with galvanized steel to actually protect against rust, and it's not designed to break down anytime soon. It has quality components. It's very, very quiet, very suppressed sound whenever it comes to both the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. Even though it's very powerful, you can definitely feel the airflow. It is not something that's going to be super loud. And if you do have something like a power outage, for example, it is designed to go ahead and restart at your designed settings, so it is smart enough to pick back up where it needs to be in case you do lose power. The energy guide over here shows the cost effectiveness of this. It is something that is very energy efficient.
The outside unit itself is very compact, very clean looking, extremely quiet unit. Out of the mini splits that I've seen, this one is definitely one of the most quiet ones. It's also one of the smaller sizes that they offer, but Garvee has bigger size mini split units as well. And so that is the outside unit. And obviously, you're gonna run it into wherever you're gonna have the head. So the actual head is like right here on the inside. This is where the electrical went through. Definitely one of the easier setups for mini splits that I have ever seen, and really happy with the experience that we've had so far.
So first, to actually control this from anywhere, you're going to need to get AC Freedom on your phone so that you can actually go ahead and sync this up with your Wi-Fi. Then you're going to go ahead and create an account. Once you're signed in, you can go ahead and add a product. So in this case, it's going to be air conditioner. You can also go down to the bottom right and click on nearby equipment, and it'll start scanning. It may ask you to go ahead and reset the unit. You just need to hit the health button 8 times on the controller, and then you'll hear a beep, and then that means that it's reset. And then also just make sure that you're in the same room and that you're within Wi-Fi range whenever you're doing this. If both the unit and you are not within Wi-Fi range, it won't work. Finally, it will confirm everything is connected, and then your screen will allow you to basically control your AC unit from anywhere as long as the AC unit has Wi-Fi and power. Hope that this helps, and hope you have an amazing rest of your day.